The best and worst thing that can happen when you launch your own business is becoming your own boss. You feel like you're living the dream. Nobody's telling you what to do. But that's also the nightmare. Nobody is telling you what to do. Procrastination and a lack of accountability become your worst enemies. You're drunk on freedom. You do what you want to do, but that freedom comes at a price. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you procrastinate too long, you don't get paid. You don't eat. That's an employee mindset, and it's an existential threat to your success. And it's not just procrastination. In fact, you can stick to your to-do list and still miss the mark. Let me show you what that looks like in real life. In my first 60 days, I was busy and focused. I stuck to my to-do list. But after 2 months, I had a long list of accomplishments, but was no closer to landing my first client. It's not just about accountability. It's about every task being focused on what will bring you revenue. We operate like we're still in the corporate world. Here's what most don't realize. This isn't a self-discipline problem. It's a mindset identity problem. You spent years reinforcing employee instincts. Your value was tied to being busy, to what you can produce in a day of work. When you go solo, your instincts keep telling you to do the things that fill up your day. And until you see that clearly, you'll keep wondering why you're working so hard with nothing to show for it. I can outwork most people without even trying. I was working sun up to sundown, but I wasn't making any money. The people who got it were working less and making more. Completely blew my mind. So how do you shake that employee mindset? You have to change your definition of success. Stop measuring your progress by how busy you are. Start measuring it by how much closer you are to meeting your revenue goals. If an activity can't lead directly to a paying client, it doesn't get priority. This one mindset shift changes everything, but it's not going to happen by accident. Here's how you take that first step. Replace busy work with clarity. Download the 90-day six-figure launch plan for a focused roadmap to landing your first paid client. The link is in the description.